Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with two stacked clips, the background and the top clip that will become the screen effect. First, trim both to the same in and out point so playback stays synchronized. Once done, select the top clip and switch to the color page. This is where you build the effect non-destructively. Make sure your clip's color spaces match to avoid unwanted shifts. You'll use nodes to isolate brightness and blend modes to composite. This gives precision and preserves the original footage. You'll create a focus node tree. Add a luminance key node to pull bright areas from the top clip. This isolates where the screen glow should appear. Once keyed, place a blur node to soften edges. Smaller values keep sharpness, larger values create bloom. Then add a grade node to push saturation and gain on the keyed portion so the effect reads like light. Finally, connect a layer mixer or use the edit page with composite mode to blend the processed top clip over the base, adjusting opacity for balance. To finish, test composite modes. Screen or add usually sell the glow. Reduce opacity until the effect feels natural. Then render cache to preview motion and color interactions before final export. If you see harsh edges or unwanted halos, go back to the color page and reduce key softness or lower blur amount and dial down the grade gain. Removing small highlights with a clean black clamp also helps. Export using a high-quality codec and the original timeline color space to keep the effect consistent across displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.